Hello, my friends. It is great to see all of you. I miss y'all so much. This last month has been very difficult. We had a winter storm down here in Houston and all over Texas. We lost power for a week and I didn't have any water for the last 3 or 4 weeks. But now everything's back to normal. I'm ready to get back in that kitchen and share with y'all some more recipes. Welcome to the 451st episode here on Ellen's Homemade Delights. Hope all you're doing well and staying safe and healthy. Before we begin, I want to thank all of y'all. We have reached another milestone, 24,000 subscribers. Woohoo! Thank you again to everyone for watching and subscribing. Now we're on to 25,000. Today, I'm going to share with all of you some mint chocolate chip cookies. And my friends, these are full of mint and chocolate flavors, simple and easy to make. And as always, it is the bomb.com delicious. These will be perfect for St. Patrick's Day or any time of the year. If y'all fan of mint and chocolate, y'all gonna love these cookies. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my other recipes for St. Patrick's Day, from Irish soda bread to grasshopper pie, and my previous video, red velvet French toast. I'll post a link to all of those down below in the description box. So grab your chocolate chips, your mint extract, and your cookie scoop sugar, because we're about to bake some mint chocolate chip cookie magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is make up the dry ingredients. In my sifter, I have 2 cups of self-rising flour, and we're going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And sift these together. Now we're going to set this aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my large bowl, I have 1/2 cup, which is 1 stick of unsalted butter that I let come to room temperature. And in 2-hour butter, we're going to add in 1 cup of white sugar. And we're going to cream these ingredients together on medium speed until they're fluffy. Alright, my friends, next we're going to add in 1 jumbo egg at room temperature, 1 small package of instant vanilla pudding mix, and 1/2 cup of sour cream that I let come to room temperature. Now we're going to continue mixing until they're well incorporated. Alright, my friends, now we're going to slowly add the dry ingredients into the butter mixture. Now turn my speed down to low so I won't make a mess. Alright, last is the flour. Mix this in until it's well incorporated. Alrighty, next we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and we're going to add in some food coloring. We're going to add in 3 drops of blue and about 10 to 15 drops of green. And we're going to mix these together until they're well blended. Alright, my friends, this is what the cookie dough looked like, nice and thick. Can smell the mint extract. Beautiful green color. All right, there's one more ingredient we got to add to it. The chocolate chips. I'm using 1.5 cups of semi-sweet, or you can use milk chocolate or the dark chocolate or mint chocolate chips. And fold them in. I love mint and chocolate. Incredible combination. All right, as soon as I get through folding in the chocolate chips, I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I'm through mixing the chocolate chips in. Now we're ready for the final step. We're going to scoop the cookies in the 9 by 13 inch cookie sheet that lined with parchment paper, or you can use aluminum foil. So I'm going to take my cookie scoop, take a little of the dough, just like that, and then scoop it onto the pan. All right, I'm going to go ahead and finish scooping the rest of my cookies, and I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I got all my cookies together. Now ready to put them in the oven. We're going to put them in the preheated 375-degree oven, and we're going to let them bake for about 10 minutes. And I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I have taken my cookies out of the oven. And it smells phenomenal up in this kitchen. So now we're going to let them cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. All right, my friends, there you have it. Mint chocolate chip cookies. Don't they look delicious? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at this cookie. Nice and golden brown on the bottom. Soft and chewy. Could taste the mint. It's gooey. These are spot on tasty, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Mint chocolate chip cookie-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Instagram, or send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love, stay safe, and happy St. Patrick's Day. Top of the morning to you.